Okay, so filling gaps is one of the more difficult things to do when it comes to TIG welding. Here we have a decent sized gap, not huge, but when I attempt to fill it, what I'm going to do, as I lose my torch, is oscillate from side to side to make sure that I get each portion of this piece puddled up before I add filler rod. So it's a combination of moving side to side and back onto the puddle and up to give yourself space to add filler. So without further ado, let's see if I can demonstrate this without screwing anything up too bad. First off, I'm going to clamp it because a piece this small is definitely going to want to move around with all the oscillation and hands going everywhere. And normally when you're filling a gap, you want to use thicker filler wire. The smaller the filler wire, the more difficult it is to fill the gap because you're going to be adding a whole lot of it. So, here we go. Okay, it took me a second to find my rhythm. Definitely dipped the tungsten a few times, but that doesn't matter because if you dip it and the arc stays lit, there's no contamination. And the result of oscillation, ow, there we go. Halfway decent weld, and you fill the gap. Happy welding.